Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe one of your neighbors. You should say, when did you become neighbors? Do you often meet? And explain whether your neighbor is a good one.
Sure, I can describe one of my neighbors. I became neighbors with Mr. Smith about a year ago when I moved into my new apartment. Mr. Smith lives in the unit next to mine. We don't often meet in person, but we have exchanged greetings a few times when we happen to run into each other in the hallway. From these brief interactions, I can tell that Mr. Smith is a friendly and polite person. As a neighbor, Mr. Smith is definitely a good one. He is always very quiet and respectful, and I never hear any loud noises or disturbances coming from his apartment. Additionally, he always keeps the shared spaces in our building clean and tidy, which is something that I really appreciate. Overall, I feel fortunate to have Mr. Smith as a neighbor, as he seems like a kind and considerate person who is easy to live next to. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.